Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code CE-117773-6 on PS5. Method 1. Check server status. Go to Settings. Go to Network. Select Connection Status. Go to View PlayStation Network Status. Check if there are any issues or alerts affecting the PSN services, such as Gaming and Social, PlayStation Store, PlayStation Now, PlayStation Video, or PlayStation Music. If there are any issues or alerts, wait for Sony to resolve them and try again later. If there are no issues or alerts, the problem may be on your end or your PS5 console. Method 2. Restart the PS5 and router. Turn off your PS5 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Next, unplugging the PS5's power cable. Now, turn off your router and modem, then unplugging them from the power source. Wait for about 10 minutes and then plug it back in and turn it on again. Wait for the router to reconnect to the internet. Next, replug the power cable on the PS5, then turn it on and check if the error code CE-117773-6 is gone. Besides, try move the PlayStation closer to the router and use a wired connection with an Ethernet cable. Method 3. Update your system software in-game. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Just go to Settings. Go to System. Select System Software. Select System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. Select Update using Internet and wait for the download and installation to complete. Method 4. Restore licenses. Going to the Settings menu of your console. Go to Users and Accounts and select it. Select Other. Select Restore Licenses. Once done, try check if the error code CE-117773-6 is gone. Method 5. Rebuild database. Turn off your PS5 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a second beep. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect your controller to the console with a USB cable. Now press the PS button on the controller. Go to Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database. Wait for the process to complete and restart your PS5 console. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix all problems. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall the game, app. Select Game, app that had the error. Next, press Options button on the controller. Choose Delete. Select OK and wait for it to complete. Restart your PS5 console, then download Game, app and check if the error code CE-117773-6 is gone. Finally, if none of the above solutions work for you, try use another wireless network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, etc. Then check if the error code is gone. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.